The alligator is an apex predator that has been roaming the earth for more than 200 million years. With its thick scales, powerful tail, and razor-sharp teeth, it could easily decide to have you for its next meal. But humans are also apex predators. And guess what? You can find alligators on restaurant menus throughout the southeast United States. No humans, though, I checked. What does gator taste like? Is it cheap or expensive? And what does the popularity of eating alligators have to do with North American natives, Cajuns, hunting, and the Endangered Species Act? Keep watching as we take a bite out of the other white meat. Native American tribes have hunted and eaten alligators for thousands of years. Archaeological digs at 800-year-old Choctaw and Chickasaw tribal burial mounds found alligator skulls placed in the graves. This suggests the alligator was significant in daily tribal life. When French settlers arrived in Louisiana in the late 1600s, they were treated to an alligator feast by the local Chitimacha tribe. The tribe would roast an entire gator over a fire or deep fry it in bear oil, providing the community with a large meal. In the mid-1700s, French Acadians were forced out of Canada and moved into Louisiana. The local natives taught these new settlers, now known as Cajuns, to survive off the swampland and hunt alligators. By the 1800s, alligator meat was a popular ingredient in gumbo, a meat and vegetable stew combining both French and Native American culinary traditions. But hunting devastated the gator population. By the 1950s, there were only 100,000 alligators left in Louisiana's rivers. The government declared the American alligator an endangered species. Hunting them was illegal between 1962 and 1972. Thankfully, the population quickly recovered. The government took alligators off the endangered species list in 1987. Hunting was allowed, but with many restrictions. To help build the reptile's population, Louisiana created alligator farms in 1986. The farms are strictly regulated and must release 10% of their hatchlings into the wild. Today, most people eat alligator meat that comes from these farms. In 2019, farmers harvested more than 438,000 alligators. This produced an income of over $86 million. Clearly, I'm in the wrong business.
You show me a pay stub for $72,000 on it, I quit my job right now and I work for you.
But what does alligator meat taste like? Well, it depends on the cut of meat and how you prepare it. The white tail meat of the alligator is tender and juicy. Its taste has been compared to that of chicken or veal. The meat has also been described as similar to dark chicken meat, with a faint fishiness to it. The legs are a tougher, gamier meat. In addition to gumbo, alligator meat can be served as a pan-fried steak, fried breaded nuggets, or braised ribs. Gator nuggets. It can also be baked into a pie, stuffed like a sausage, or used on Cajun nachos. However, gator meat is not cheap compared to common meats like chicken and beef. But is alligator considered a white meat or seafood? That depends. While many people consider alligator a white meat delicacy, the New Orleans Catholic Church officially declared it a seafood. This allowed parishioners to enjoy eating alligators on Fridays during Lent. I see what they're trying to do there. Now that you've tried this delicacy, perhaps you'd be interested in eating some Rocky Mountain oysters. We'll tell you what those are on another episode of Origins of Food.